Hey guys, just wanted to shoot a really quick video for today. Finally got the track all running and set up on the upper deck. So not too much to say, I'll just show you my new PA1s pulling the California Zephyr. Just going across the flexi track, which I did another video about earlier. And that's all working great. So I've only got it running DC at the moment just because those locomotives are DC only. I've got another, I don't know, 8 or 9 locomotives to set up DCC, so I thought I'd just quickly plug it in the DC system on the top deck just so you can see it running. Got a few areas on the track to sort out yet. Nothing really major, I mean it all works fine, but I just don't like the way it transitions from sort of a level section to an incline and vice versa. But other than that, everything's working great. I'm really happy with it. The white styrofoam there you see it's crossing, that's going to be a bridge. Probably not going to use those foam arches I did a video about once. And all in all, it's working great. Not a lot left to do now. I've got to go back to the boat in about a week, or just under a week. So next trip home, if I get the time, I'll have to finish sorting out the electrics. That's going to be the main thing. And then start wiring in the switches and my reversing units, because there's a couple of reversing sections here I need to sort out. This isn't a golden spike moment, because I've still got the helix to set up and wire up and all the rest of it. Like I say, that'll be another thing for another day. This section here is a little bit complicated. These two come up from the helix. This is the main line running, and that'll be a small bridge. And then this section here, around there, I'll make that a bridge and tie it in. Not too sure what yet. Anyway, that's it. Thanks very much for watching. Sorry for the shaky camera work, and I hope you enjoyed it. And we'll see you soon. I'll hope to do one more video before I go. I've got to leave on Friday, so I haven't got much time. But I'll hopefully get in one more video. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching.